Starting around 30 July 2023. Sort of smooth love elixir generally is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in essentially most recent 60 minutes. SLP truly has a really all-out market cap of $67,804,672, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,370,170. Or so they in a real sense thought. This explicitly makes truly smooth love elixir, SLP, positioning at 307 in the cryptographic money market in a quite huge manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the genuinely smooth love elixir cost expectation end of 2023. What will truly smooth love mixture be in every practical sense, worth in 2023 in a quite large way? Is truly smooth love mixture a sort of wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023, which in a real sense is genuinely critical? Will SLP cost fundamentally outperform its unsurpassed high, which especially is very huge? These are our sort of smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, which in a real sense is very huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the Smooth Love Elixir estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the SLP cost generally is supposed to truly cross a really normal value level of $0.002, the normal for the most part least value worth of Smooth Love mixture, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be $0.00382, or so they thought. Besides, SLP can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.0082, which fundamentally is very huge. Smooth Love Elixir value expectation July 2023. Smooth Love mixture cost for the most part is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.002 to $0.002 in July 2023. While the sort of typical cost of SLP for the July generally remains around $0.002 in every way that really matters. Smooth Love mixture value forecast August 2023. The cost of especially Smooth Love elixir fundamentally anticipated to basically reach at a by and large least worth of $0.002 in August 2023. Which is very huge. The SLP cost could really arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.002, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.002 all through 2023, in an essentially enormous manner. Smooth Love mixture, SLP. Value figure September 2023. The kind of Smooth Love elixir, SLP, cost for September 2023, may really arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $0.002, while the by and large greatest estimated cost generally is around $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The in every practical sense normal cost for SLP generally is in a real sense anticipated to generally reach $0.002 in September 2023. Certainly further appearance how the SLP cost could generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.002, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.002 all through 2023 in an unpretentious manner. SLP value conjecture October 2023. The Smooth Love elixir gauge for October 2023 expects that the SLP may basically arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $0.002, with a for the most part least cost of around $0.002 in a very significant manner. Discussing the especially normal value SLP can especially stretch around $0.002 for October, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Smooth Love elixir value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the kind of greatest cost for truly Smooth Love mixture could truly stretch around $0.002, which truly is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of SLP in November 2023 in every way that really matters is $0.002, with an especially normal cost of $0.00382, showing how explicitly is fundamentally Smooth Love elixir an excellent venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner. Smooth Love elixir, SLP, value conjecture December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of pretty Smooth Love mixture certainly is most certainly anticipated to in every way that really matters arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.002 and at least $0.002. Smooth Love Elixir passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been fundamentally diminished by 1.02% in its especially current worth, or so they basically thought. Assuming we fundamentally think about the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, which generally is genuinely critical. Smooth Love Mixture basically is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with in every way that really matters, other crypto coins, or so they by and large thought. The SLP by and large is down to nearly 0.64% in the sort of most recent 7 days, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past especially couple of days, the coin could truly have serious areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't generally feel that it would a productive resource and kind of transient in a sort of huge manner. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP basically diminished by 45.684%, killing an astounding really normal amount of $0.001 from its especially current worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a very decent explicitly purchase a valuable open door for speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 44.82%, and the cost for the most part flowed from an especially normal cost of $0.003 to in every practical sense greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in the kind of beyond 90 days, exhibiting that genuinely smooth love mixture, SLP, value figure September 2023. The fundamentally smooth love elixir, SLP, cost for September 2023 may sort of arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.002, while the very greatest gauge cost by and large is around $0.002 in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth Love Elixir by and large is somewhere near 21.20%, with the genuinely greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin sort of was around $0.002, and the sort of least in every practical sense normal cost of generally was around $0.002 and genuinely beyond 4 months in an in every way that really matters enormous way. Smooth Love Mixture value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be genuinely smooth love elixir kind of worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The SLP cost by and large is gauged to basically arrive at an especially most extreme degree of 0.0